Within the Admin Products Decoration Areas section, you can configure the default decoration areas for each decoration process. So if we click on Adult Tops Edit, this is where we configure which decoration processes use each area. So we have a body, a left chest, a right chest, a back, short sleeve, long sleeve, split body top. And then I can enable additional ones like a collar back. So maybe this is 4x2 for the collar back. That would be the back collar yoke area. And then I can choose, okay, do I want to make it available on DTG, embroidery, screen, transfer? Yes, I do. So keep in mind that these decoration areas are the default areas for our products. And again, look at it as default. That doesn't mean that it's going to be perfect for all items. You want to go into each of your most popular items and give them a quick polish as far as where the decoration area is located. But again, you can see how easy it is to turn on and turn off a decoration process for this specific decoration area. It's also very common to come in other products like headwear. Maybe you only want to offer embroidery on headwear, or maybe you offer transfers and screen printing as well. Keep in mind that these default areas are going to start setting what is and is not possible with your product. So definitely want to look at this and then go into each item that you are often selling to your customers. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.